विसा उपरांत परत येवकार. गोवा कॅन संघटनेन बिरेस्तारा नुव्या कार्मेल महाविद्यालयाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांक घेवन रस्तो सुरक्षा संदर्भात जागृताय रॅली काढली. विद्यालयाच्या भुरग्यांनी रस्त्यार जागृताय उपक्रम राबयल्लो. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Students of Carmel Higher Secondary School having a road safety patrolling for the awareness of the drivers like the traffic signals and having to wear helmets, the seat belts, and for the passengers also, and for the road limitations, speed limitations.
Rolling today so that we can aware the people to wear their helmets properly. Both the passengers should wear the helmets, the seat belts. Both the passengers who are sitting in the front should wear the seat belts, and they have to see the speed limit and drive. Some of them don't have license, so we were just awareing them of taking their license and roaming everywhere they go. So today we have done this.
Today has been the second action under the State Road Safety Week outside the Carmel College gate, where the Consumer Welfare Club of Carmel High Secondary and the Road Safety Patrol jointly have organized the road safety action today. It's a very important action because this institution is on the national highway, and recently we had a case where two students were knocked down by a young boy on the bike because at high speed, and luckily the students were not badly injured. So today's road safety action is part of the process of working on declaring this as a road safety zone for this education institution. Now we are going to work along with the management of the institution, the lecturers and the students, to see that the appropriate signages are all around the institution. There have been many signages which have been put, but they have not been maintained. So now that the lead agency on road safety has been appointed, wherein the PWD, Education Department, DHS, Traffic Police and Directorate of Transport are involved, we are going to approach them to take up this whole effort so that the entire process, right from the Nuve, Maida Dios, Maida Pobres High School to the Rosary School in Nuve, this entire area has enough of signages, so it creates an impact on the users of the road.
We have prepared this chart to bring awareness amongst people. These are the accidents which have taken place in the last 3 months. We have to follow our traffic rules. They are meant for public safety. So by following these rules, we have to decrease the accidents which are taking place in our day-to-day lives.